In this lesson, we will examine tuple structs. You can use tuple structs in cases where the names of the fields of the structures are not important. After typing the name of the struct, instead of opening curly brackets, we specify the data types in parentheses like tuple definitions. Let's start by creating a tuple struct right away. We have defined the point structure that represents the two-dimensional xy plane. When you define a tuple-like struct, you have a function that implicitly creates it. If you want, let's implement it with an example and show how to access its values. Just like tuple data type, we access values in index order. Of course, you can also access values via encapsulation. Apart from this example, you can reinforce it by defining a tuple struct where the color values are kept in RGB format.